The truth is, we don't know much. I don't know you, and you don't know me. We get so judgmental from the start, saying he's like this and that behind my back. It takes some time to get to know me, and I understand, but sometimes I can't. Spend some time and you will see I'm just like